dated 31st August 2024. In exercise of the powers conferred by Section 15, Subsection 3 of the Right to Information Act 2005, and on the recommendation of the Selection Committee dated 7th August 2024, the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is hereby pleased to appoint Major General Jarkin Gamlin, ABSM, SM, BSM, retired, as State Chief Information Commissioner, Arunachal Pradesh Information Commission, in the fixed pay of rupees 2,25,000 per pensum plus other allowances admissible from time to time. In terms of Section 16, Subsection 2 of the said Act, as amended by the RTI Amendment Act 2019, dealt with the Rule 12 of the Right to Information, terms of service, salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of service of the Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners in the Central Information Commission, State Chief Information Commissioner, and State Information Commissioners in the State Information Commission Rules 2019, the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is further pleased to order that the Chief Information Commissioner shall hold office for 3 years from date of this entering upon the office or till he attains the age of 65, whichever is earlier. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is further pleased to order that salaries, allowances, and other terms of service of the State Chief Information Commissioner shall be regulated under Rules 14 and 20 of the said rules. May I now request Honorable Governor to kindly administer the oath to the State Chief Information Commissioner designate Major General Jarkin Gamlin, ABSM, SM, BSM, retired. I request Major General Jarkin Gamlin, ABSM, SM, BSM, retired to make and subscribe the oath.
I, Major General Jarkin Gamlin, having been appointed State Chief Information Commissioner, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
His Excellency, the proceedings are over. May I declare the function closed? Now, I declare that the function is over. Now, I declare that the function is over. I request all the dignitaries engaged to proceed towards General Bipin Rawat Hall for high tea.
Le nom, c'est